Can I borrow a pencil? Can I borrow a pencil? Can I borrow a pencil? May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom? What page are we on? What page are we on? What page are we on? Can you help me with this math problem? Can you help me with this math problem? Can you help me with this math problem? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Who wants to be my partner? Who wants to be my partner? Who wants to be my partner? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? When is the due date for this assignment? When is the due date for this assignment? When is the due date for this assignment? What time does school end? What time does school end? What time does school end? I'm sorry, I didn't understand the question. I'm sorry, I didn't understand the question. I'm sorry, I didn't understand the question. Are we having a quiz today? Are we having a quiz today? Are we having a quiz today? Can I use the computer? Can I use the computer? Can I use the computer? I need to sharpen my pencil. I need to sharpen my pencil. I need to sharpen my pencil. Can I have an extension on this project? Can I have an extension on this project? Can I have an extension on this project? Did we have any homework last night? Did we have any homework last night? Did we have any homework last night? Can you explain this concept again? Can you explain this concept again? Can you explain this concept again? Where is the library? Where is the library? Where is the library? Can you recommend a good book to read? Can you recommend a good book to read? Can you recommend a good book to read? Can I have a piece of paper? Can I have a piece of paper? Can I have a piece of paper? I left my backpack in the classroom. I left my backpack in the classroom. I left my backpack in the classroom. Do we need any supplies for this class? Do we need any supplies for this class? Do we need any supplies for this class? What are we learning about today? What are we learning about today? What are we learning about today? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Do we have any group work today? Do we have any group work today? Do we have any group work today? Can I go to the nurse's office? Can I go to the nurse's office? Can I go to the nurse's office? I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick. Can I borrow your eraser? Can I borrow your eraser? Can I borrow your eraser? What's the answer to question number 3? What's the answer to question number 3? What's the answer to question number 3? When is our next test? When is our next test? When is our next test? I need help with my essay. I need help with my essay. I need help with my essay. Can I have permission to leave early today? Can I have permission to leave early today? Can I have permission to leave early today? Can you explain the homework assignment? Can you explain the homework assignment? Can you explain the homework assignment? Can you pass me the scissors, please? Can you pass me the scissors, please? Can you pass me the scissors, please? Where can I find the art supplies? Where can I find the art supplies? Where can I find the art supplies? Can I go to the water fountain? Can I go to the water fountain? Can I go to the water fountain? Is there a study guide for the exam? Is there a study guide for the exam? Is there a study guide for the exam? Can you give me an example? Can you give me an example? Can you give me an example? Can I have a tissue? Can I have a tissue? Can I have a tissue? I don't understand this equation. I don't understand this equation. I don't understand this equation. Can I have some extra credit? Can I have some extra credit? Can I have some extra credit? What's the difference between a noun and a verb? What's the difference between a noun and a verb? What's the difference between a noun and a verb? Can I borrow a calculator? Can I borrow a calculator? Can I borrow a calculator? Can I use the stapler? Can I use the stapler? Can I use the stapler? Can I have an extra copy of the handout? Can I have an extra copy of the handout? Can I have an extra copy of the handout? I missed class yesterday. What did I miss? I missed class yesterday. What did I miss? I missed class yesterday. What did I miss? Can you recommend a good study resource? Can you recommend a good study resource? Can you recommend a good study resource? What are the class rules? What are the class rules? What are the class rules? Can you help me find my lost book? Can you help me find my lost book? Can you help me find my lost book? Can I have a hall pass? Can I have a hall pass? Can I have a hall pass? Is there a school assembly today? Is there a school assembly today? Is there a school assembly today? Can I have an excused absence? Can I have an excused absence? Can I have an excused absence? When is recess? When is recess? When is recess? Can I have a snack? Can I have a snack? Can I have a snack? What's the homework for tonight? What's the homework for tonight? What's the homework for tonight? Can I have a colored pencil? Can I have a colored pencil? Can I have a colored pencil? Can you explain this diagram to me? Can you explain this diagram to me? Can you explain this diagram to me? Can I have an extra sheet of paper? Can I have an extra sheet of paper? Can I have an extra sheet of paper? I need help with my science experiment. I need help with my science experiment. I need help with my science experiment. Can I have a marker? Can I have a marker? Can I have a marker? Can I borrow your ruler? Can I borrow your ruler? Can I borrow your ruler? When is lunchtime? When is lunchtime? When is lunchtime? Can I have a piece of tape? Can I have a piece of tape? Can I have a piece of tape? I need to charge my laptop. I need to charge my laptop. I need to charge my laptop. Can you recommend a good study spot? Can you recommend a good study spot? Can you recommend a good study spot? Can I have a highlighter? Can I have a highlighter? Can I have a highlighter? Can you check my spelling? Can you check my spelling? Can you check my spelling? I need help with my presentation. I need help with my presentation. I need help with my presentation. Can I have a whiteboard marker? Can I have a whiteboard marker? Can I have a whiteboard marker? Can I have a protractor? Can I have a protractor? Can I have a protractor? Can you explain this historical event? Can you explain this historical event? Can you explain this historical event? Can I have a glue stick? Can I have a glue stick? Can I have a glue stick? Can I have a dictionary? Can I have a dictionary? Can I have a dictionary? Can you help me find a book in the library? Can you help me find a book in the library? Can you help me find a book in the library? I need help with my grammar. I need help with my grammar. I need help with my grammar. Can I have a map? Can I have a map? Can I have a map? Can you explain this scientific concept? Can you explain this scientific concept? Can you explain this scientific concept? Can I have a compass? Can I have a compass? Can I have a compass? Can I have a ruler? Can I have a ruler? Can I have a ruler? Can you explain this literary term? Can you explain this literary term? Can you explain this literary term? Can I have a textbook? Can I have a textbook? Can I have a textbook? Can I have a notebook? Can I have a notebook? Can I have a notebook? Can you explain this math formula? Can you explain this math formula? Can you explain this math formula? Can I have a geometry set? Can I have a geometry set? Can I have a geometry set? Can you check my punctuation? Can you check my punctuation? Can you check my punctuation? I need help with my history essay. I need help with my history essay. I need help with my history essay. Can I have a USB drive? Can I have a USB drive? Can I have a USB drive? Can you explain this art technique? Can you explain this art technique? Can you explain this art technique? Can I have a calculator battery? Can I have a calculator battery? Can I have a calculator battery? Can you proofread my essay? Can you proofread my essay? Can you proofread my essay? I need help with my chemistry experiment. I need help with my chemistry experiment. I need help with my chemistry experiment. Can I have a microscope slide? Can I have a microscope slide? Can I have a microscope slide? Can you explain this grammar rule? Can you explain this grammar rule? Can you explain this grammar rule? Can I have a science textbook? Can I have a science textbook? Can I have a science textbook? Can you help me with my French pronunciation? Can you help me with my French pronunciation? Can you help me with my French pronunciation? I need help with my music composition. I need help with my music composition. I need help with my music composition. Can I have a musical instrument? Can I have a musical instrument? Can I have a musical instrument? Can you explain this geography concept? Can you explain this geography concept? Can you explain this geography concept? Can I have a globe? Can I have a globe? Can I have a globe? Can you help me with my Spanish translation? Can you help me with my Spanish translation? Can you help me with my Spanish translation? I need help with my physical education assignment. I need help with my physical education assignment. I need help with my physical education assignment.